How to use TypeGradient in Canva. Open any web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type canva.com and hit enter. This will take us to the Canva homepage. Now let's open a blank page to work with. I already have one set up, but feel free to open your own design page where you'll be adding the gradient text. Next, we're going to access the Apps feature. Head over to the sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar that appears, type in TypeGradient and press enter. You'll see the TypeGradient app listed. Click on it and you'll be directed to its settings page. In the main text section, type the text you want to style with a gradient. For demonstration, I'll type, "Thanks for watching." Want to change the font? You can do that easily. I'll switch to a font called Bangers for a dynamic look. After choosing your font, adjust the line height to control the spacing between your words. This can give it a more polished look. You're also able to change the text colors to suit your design. However, for this tutorial, I'll stick to the default colors. To customize further, adjust the positioning of the gradient color by moving the two dots within the settings. This gives you control over where the colors blend. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and hit the Add to Design button at the bottom. And there you have it. The gradient text is now added to your page design seamlessly. If you feel like tweaking the gradient positioning even more, you can still make adjustments and simply click the Update element button at the bottom to save your changes. And that's it.